Imagine walking into a room and hearing a single chord played, yet it resonates with the warmth and richness of an entire orchestra. This magical transformation is possible through the art of harmonic layering, a powerful technique that, when mastered, can elevate your music production to new sonic heights. In today's episode, we're diving into the intricate world of harmonic layering, exploring how to stack sounds in a way that creates depth and complexity, all without overwhelming your mix. First, let's tackle the concept of layering multiple instruments and sounds to create a fuller tonal experience. At its core, harmonic layering is all about blending different sounds to enhance the sonic richness of your music. Imagine starting with a basic piano chord. Then, by adding layers, perhaps a soft pad in the background, a gentle string section, and a distant choir, you transform that simple chord into something much more textured and evocative. Each layer should serve a distinct role. The pad adds warmth, the strings offer drama, and the choir provides an ethereal quality. The key is ensuring that each layer complements rather than competes with the others, maintaining a clear and balanced mix. Next, let's explore the creative use of frequency spectrum in layering. Each sound occupies a specific bandwidth within the frequency spectrum, and understanding this is crucial for successful harmonic layering. Consider the lower end, the domain of bass and warmth. By layering a deep, sustained bass note with your piano chord, you infuse the harmony with a solid foundation. Meanwhile, the mid-range, where much of the musical detail resides, is where you might add instruments like guitars or brass to fill out the harmony. Finally, the high frequencies can be highlighted with shimmering bells or airy synths, adding sparkle and brilliance to your mix. The secret to effective frequency layering is to ensure each sound has its own space within the spectrum, avoiding muddiness and allowing every element to shine. Finally, let's discuss dynamic layering, a technique that involves using automation to breathe life into your harmonically layered composition. This is where music transitions from static to dynamic, engaging the listener's emotions on a deeper level. Imagine an orchestral swell, where the strings gradually rise in volume, or a synth lead that subtly shifts its filter over time to reveal new harmonic textures. By automating volume, panning, and even effects like reverb and delay, you introduce movement and evolution into your music. This dynamic approach keeps the listener captivated as the piece continuously unfolds in new and interesting ways. As we wrap up this exploration of harmonic layering, consider how these techniques could transform your own music. Think about the textures you could create, the emotional journeys you could craft, and the unique soundscapes you could paint with sonic colors. I challenge you to experiment with different combinations of instruments and sounds, playing with the frequency spectrum and utilizing dynamic automation to create layers that speak to both the mind and the heart. By diving into harmonic layering, you're not just adding depth to your music. You're opening up a world of creative possibilities that will captivate and inspire both you and your listeners. Happy producing.